This will be a short demonstration of how to use the chord moving features of ChordSmith. Sometimes when you have a song, you'll find that the chord may be in the wrong location. So let's say that this A really should be over here above the T. And I could go and just type it in by hand, but if I have to do several of these or many of them in a particular song, which may happen because it's been imported with tabs and such from another word processor, this feature helps out. So I clicked just ahead of the chord name, and that became highlighted. That light blue highlight means now that it's in the chord moving mode. And let's say I want to move it over the T. I hold down the Control key and click, and the chord is erased from where it was and replaced where my pointer was. Now I can also, if I use the Alt key and do the same kind of operation, it will actually copy rather than move. So let's say I want to move this back, or I want to copy this chord over the N in Norma here, back where it was. I hold down the Control key and click, and now the chord is there. But it's still here because with the Alt key, what we're doing is copying instead of moving. So now let's say we wanted to, and you can do this multiple times. So as long as this is still highlighted, I could put another one here, and another one here. And I notice this one ended up at the end of the line, which is not exactly where I wanted it. I wanted it above, let's say, the Y here. So I need to add some spaces in order to have a place for it to go. Well, if I'm going to do several of these, or many of them in a particular song, the easiest way to add spaces is to add spaces to all the lines at the same time. So first I select it. I'll do Control A and select everything. And now I go to Edit, Select, Extend Selected Lines with Blanks. And now all the lines have blanks added to them, as many as as the longest line would lead it to have. So now I can move these chords wherever I want to the end of lines, even like that, because we've got spaces on every line now. Now what will happen when you do a transposition, the extra spaces will be deleted. So let me transpose to the same key from A to A here. So it won't change anything. It just did the transposition. And now there's no extra blanks on any of the lines, as you can see. And then and when you save this, those blanks also are eliminated. So that's how you use the chord repositioning feature of ChordSmith.